Hello everyone, in this video we will create a struct array, and to do that let's first create our struct, and maybe this struct can be about cities, and here I will say string name, city name, and maybe population also, string, like city population in millions. And now we can create an array which will store the elements, and those elements, they will be variables that we will create by using this struct. And to do that, I need to say cities and square brackets for array symbol, and visibility can be internal, and for the name I will say my array. And now let's create a function, and by using this function first we will create variables of the type of this struct, and second we will push these variables inside this array. So for the first purpose I will use function parameters. So function, I will say add elements, and I told you that we will be using function parameters, so string memory name here in underscore population. And now let's create our variable, struct variable. So to do that I will say cities and memory, and my city is equal to cities, and here name population, and that's it. Now our variable is ready for being pushed to my array, and I will say push. I will push what? I will push this variable. And you might be wondering why there is memory here. There is memory here because this variable is temporary. Okay, and now let's create a function to return all the values of this array. As it's internal we cannot see it, so we need this function to return it. Function get array external returns, and we will return what? We will return this cities, and here we will say memory, and now we can say return my array. And that's it. That makes our contract ready. Now let's deploy it. It's already compiled, and here if I now get the array, you see it's empty, there is nothing inside. But if I want to add elements, then I need to enter the values here. So I will say Barcelona, and population is probably 2 million, so let's add it. And then for another city I will say Diyarbakir. It's a city in my hometown. I will say 1 million and transact. And now if I get the array, you see it's Barcelona 2 million, Diyarbakir 1 million. So that's how you create a struct array, and see you next time. Bye bye.